In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money live streaming on Facebook and how you can build a massive audience in record time. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So a few months ago, I uploaded this video where I talked about how you can actually build a Facebook gaming page and make money from your content, basically uploading videos about your favorite games. Because of that video, many of you have actually messaged me and asked me, how can I make money live streaming? What if I want to make money live streaming video games on Facebook, just like you can do on YouTube or Twitch? So I'm going to show you the requirements that you need to meet if you want to become a streamer on Facebook. And at the same time, I'm going to give you a basic strategy that you can follow from day one to become a streamer and have thousands of people following your streams. So before we get into the content, make sure that you hit that like button because it's going to tell YouTube to push this video to more people and hopefully get more views. And according to Business Insider, streamers on Facebook are making more money than on Twitch and YouTube. So if you want to make playing video games your full-time job, this is the video to watch. So with that said, what we're going to do is we're going to jump into my computer and show you how it works. Alright guys, so we're in the Facebook streaming page, and this is where you can see, all the games that you can live stream and all the streamers. You can see that there's people streaming games right now. This one has 4,000 people. This one has 3,000, 2,000 people. And we can go and browse some of the most popular games that people are live streaming on Facebook. They have a ton of different games from which you can choose from. And this is important because I'm going to show you how you can use these games to build an initial following on Facebook without you having to spend 6 months or a year streaming with no viewers. So if we go to the streamer section, you can see all the popular streamers that have thousands of followers on Facebook. Like these guys have 230,000. This guy has 281,000. This one has 3.2 million followers, and you can see some of the games that they play. This guy plays Call of Duty, this guy plays Fortnite, and 22 more games. So you can see what games they're playing, and this is useful information because I'm going to show you how you can utilize that information to build your following base. But before we get into that, we need to know what are some of the requirements to become a streamer on Facebook and make money from our live streams. Well, I'm going to link to this page below, but Facebook has something called the Level Up program, and you do need to apply in order to actually start making money from your live streams. And like I said, I'm going to link to this page below so you can read all the benefits, but basically this is the part that you need to know, how to actually apply. What are the steps that you need to take in order to get approved for the Level Up program? The first thing that you need to do is to create a gaming video creator page, and you can simply just click here. It'll take you to create a brand new Facebook page, and it will have already selected the category for the gaming video creator. Now, if you already have a gaming page on Facebook that you want to convert to a gaming video creator, you can change the category of that page to that, and that should qualify you for this program. Now, in addition to having your gaming video creator page, you also need to stream gaming content for at least 4 hours in the last 14 days. Now, you do need to tag the game, so it has to be from one of the games that they have on that list that I just showed you. The next requirement will be stream gaming content for at least 2 days in the last 14 days, and you need to have at least 100 followers on your page. Now, this is really not difficult to have. In fact, I'm going to show you how not only can you get your first 100 followers, but if you want to get your first 1,000 followers or 10,000 followers, how you can do that as well. And the last one is your page needs to be active for at least 30 days. So that means if you create a brand new page today, you can actually apply for this program tomorrow. You do need to wait 30 days in order to apply. And of course, you need to meet all the requirements that you see right here. Now, once you do meet all the requirements, you can come back to this page and you can apply to the Level Up program. On top of that, you do need to meet all the community standards and partner monetization policies. So if your page has any violations from previous videos or anything that you've done on Facebook, most likely you're not going to get approved, and it's best to just create a brand new page. Now let's talk about exactly how you make money from live streaming on Facebook. And the first thing that you'll need is to meet the requirements for monetization. You can click on this link and it's going to take you to all the rules and things that they don't allow to do and allow you to do on Facebook. And if you meet those requirements, that you can get accepted into the Level Up program, where basically you make money from donations from people who are watching your live streams. And as you can see, they have a star system where basically if they decide to donate 95 stars to your live stream, then that means you made $1.99. If they donate 1,200, then that means you made $20. Now they also have a monthly fee, which means your fans can subscribe for a monthly fee of about $5 per month. And the more followers you have on your page, the more money you can make, because you have more opportunities of people subscribing to your live streams and making you money every single month. Now you can see at the bottom here, it says your stars will be automatically paid to you via bank account, and you can update your payout information in your streamer dashboard. So once you get approved, you can add your bank account information, and at the end of the month, they'll pay you for whatever donations you got for that specific month. Now keep in mind, this is not the only way to monetize your content on Facebook. This is just one way to monetize your live streams. Later on this video, I'm going to tell you how you can take those live streams and make even more money. So if you have any additional questions, make sure you visit this page so you can read all about how much money Facebook actually makes, some of the things that you have to keep in mind, what countries are actually available for the Level Up program. But basically, you can read all the information on this page, which is going to be linked in the description below. All right, so now that you know how to qualify for the Level Up program and how you can make money live streaming, let's talk about the thing that you really want to know. How exactly do I get into this program? How do I get those 100 followers? And how do I actually make a full-time income live streaming content on Facebook? Well, for that, we need to go back to our gaming page on Facebook, where you can browse all the games that you can live stream on Facebook. And this is important because you want to see what are the top most popular games that people are live streaming right now. Those are the games that you want to play. Those are the games that you want to live stream, because those are the most popular games, and most likely they already have a huge audience on Facebook. So let's take as an example this game right here, Call of Duty. So let's say you want to grow a brand new gaming video creator page where you're going to be live streaming only content in regards to Call of Duty. How are you going to grow that page from 0 to 100 followers to 1,000 followers or more? Well, the best and fastest way to do that is utilizing Facebook ads. Now, Facebook ads is the best way for you to advertise and reach people already on Facebook who are already watching those games from other live streamers. If you don't know anything about Facebook ads and you've never done any type of advertising on Facebook, I'm going to link to this video in the description below, which is going to take you step by step how to set up an ad on Facebook from beginning to end, so you learn exactly how to do it. So when you do decide to spend money to start advertising your live streaming page, you'll know exactly the type of process that you need to go through on Facebook ads. So using our live streaming page and our Call of Duty game as an example, you could basically go on Facebook ads and you can say, okay, I want people from the United States. We can say we want people from 18 to, we'll say 35. And then in the detailed targeted section, this is the most important section, you can just type whatever interests, because we want people who are already watching live streams from this game. All we have to do is go back to our Facebook ads and say, okay, so I'm going to type Call of Duty. I want to see how many people are interested in Call of Duty on Facebook. Facebook has pulled a list of interests based on what I typed, which was Call of Duty, and it's telling me that Call of Duty 4 has 11 million people interested in this topic. So just keep that in mind. You don't need 11 million people on your Facebook page. All you need is 100 in order to qualify for the Level Up program. If you were to target these people in the United States only from 18 to 35 who really like Call of Duty 4, now you're targeting 2.1 million people. If you have a very decent budget of just $5 to $10 per day for the next 15 to 25 days, you could basically build a following of 200 to 1,000 followers in your first 30 days for your live streaming page. So this is just one of the games available for live streaming on Facebook. But if we actually go back to our streamer section, you can see that most streamers are playing more than one game on Facebook. So this guy is playing Fortnite and 22 other games. So if we go to our game section, you can pick any of the games that you're going to be live streaming on Facebook, and you can basically target these people who are already on Facebook watching these streamers and watching this type of content. You can bring them to your own page and make sure that they watch your content as well and build yourself a following. So if we were to type Fortnite just to give you an example, we would get something very similar. This one has an audience of 88 million people. So if we click there, our audience has increased to 8.8 million people. So that means we can reach out to people who like Call of Duty. We can reach out to people who like Fortnite. And of course, the best way to do that is by promoting your live streams. So by utilizing your live streams, if your live streams are entertaining to these people, and you can utilize Facebook ads to push your live streams to Call of Duty fans or Fortnite fans, there's going to be a very high chance that some of those people are going to go back to your Facebook page and follow your page because they found your live stream entertaining. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Now you know the process of actually becoming a live streamer on Facebook. And of course, what you need to do is create your Facebook page and start streaming as soon as possible. Now, if you want to get those 100 followers that you want for your Facebook page, or you want to get to 10,000, 100,000 followers, follow what I'm talking about in this video. Make sure that you invest into your business. This is going to be your business. If you want to make it a full-time income, you have to invest some money in order to grow. Once you grow to 10,000, 50,000 followers, you can just let the content be promoted by Facebook and hopefully grow organically. So spending a little bit of money to invest into Facebook ads to attract people who are already watching these games on Facebook, who are already watching other streamers play these games on Facebook, it's not only a good idea, it's going to help you make more money, because if you actually spend the time to create entertaining content with your live streams, most likely you will succeed if you stick to it. Now, like I said, live streaming is not the only way to monetize your Facebook page. There's also in-stream ads, which means after you're done live streaming, you can take clips from those live streams and you can create small videos that you can upload to your Facebook page, monetize them with in-stream ads, and make even more money. Now, if you want to learn more about monetizing Facebook pages with in-stream ads, what I want you to do is click the link below. It's going to take you to my Facebook Income School, which is a complete course with over 40 videos that can teach you step by step how to build, grow, and monetize Facebook pages to make over $100 per day. With that said, thank you very much for watching this video. If you guys enjoy this video, please like the video. It's free. You have nothing to lose. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.